In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the main toolbar, the main features. We'll start off on the left-hand side where you see the Autodesk logo. When you hover over it, you'll have this window pop up. You can see the new button there, and that allows you to create a new document. The open button, where you can open an existing file. The insert button, which allows you to insert a file that you've previously been working on. So for example, you have a part that you had created separately and you want to import it into this new document, you can use the insert feature. Import SVG file. For example, if you are aware of Adobe Illustrator and you've done some vector work before, if you created a 2D vector graphic in Illustrator, you can actually export it in Illustrator as a SVG file and then import it into Autodesk as an SVG file, and you'll get a 2D sketch. Obviously save a copy, export. This is probably really important if you're going to be doing 3D printing. You need to make sure you export your object or your file as an STL file so that you can actually 3D print it. Send to. This only helps if you've got the premium feature up here, where you can send it directly to Autodesk to get your items 3D printed, and also 3D print and exit. On the top, we'll start from the left. You've got undo and redo. This means that if you make a mistake, you can go back or you can come back, which is quite handy. You've got the transform tool, which allows you to scale, and it also allows you to move and rotate. We've got the standard primitives and the standard shapes. So these are standard primitives. They're already three-dimensional, which you can then set parameters to and give length, width, and height. You've also got sketch, construct, which allows you to extrude and do all sorts of three-dimensional features. Modify, pattern, group, combine, adjust, text, and snap. Now, in some of the other tutorials I will go through in detail, so don't feel like I haven't gone through it in detail, because I will. But just make sure you stay tuned to the tutorials that I'll be releasing. So that's it for now for the main toolbar. Just make sure, again, like I've been saying, is just have a go for yourself, have a play, and there's no such thing as making mistakes. If you make a mistake, just undo and try again.